What if I told you that the years you are ashamed of today might become the years you are proud of tomorrow? What if every failure, every wrong decision, every time you quit something was not destroying your future, but quietly building it? Most people don't lose in life because they are lazy or stupid. They lose because they judge themselves too early. Today, I want to tell you a story about a man who looked lost for 8 years. Everyone thought he was wasting his life. They were wrong. And if you feel behind right now, this story will hit you hard.
In a small village lived a young man named Ethan. Ethan was not lazy. He was not careless. He was not useless. He was confused. At 24, his friends had direction. They had plans. They had respect. Ethan had questions. He tried farming. 6 months later, he quit. He worked in a shop. 1 year later, he left. He tried teaching children. He felt empty and walked away. People noticed. Why does he start and stop? He can't commit. He is wasting his life. Even his father asked him, "When will you finally become someone?" That question followed Ethan everywhere. What nobody understood was what was happening inside Ethan's mind. After leaving the shop, he worked with a carpenter. For 3 years, his hands learned patience, precision, discipline. Then he left. Laughter again. Next, he worked with a blacksmith. For 2 years, he learned pressure, heat, strength. Then he left. More judgment. Later, he studied writing, words, meaning, clarity. By 32, Ethan looked unfinished, but his brain was becoming something rare. Every skill rewired him. Every mistake reshaped him. Invisible work was turning him into someone new. One evening, a village elder stopped him. "You are 32, he said. "How long will you wander?" That night, Ethan collapsed. He stared at his hands, rough, burned, ink-stained. 8 years, he whispered. 8 years and nothing. I am a failure. But the next morning, the blacksmith saw him and said something that changed everything. "You didn't quit," he said. "You were collecting." Weeks later, a wealthy man came to the village. He needed one thing built: wood, metal, words. 3 skills, 1 project. When Ethan stepped forward, people laughed. But he was given 30 days. Day by day, everything connected. The wood obeyed his hands. The iron bent to his will. The words flowed naturally. And Ethan understood. I wasn't lost. I was training. When the work was revealed, the village went silent. That silence was his answer. Years later, a young man asked Ethan, "I feel lost. Am I wasting my life?" Ethan smiled. "No," he said. "You are becoming. If you feel behind, if nothing makes sense yet, remember this. Growth is silent. Preparation is invisible. The years between starting and winning are not wasted. They are the forge. Work on yourself in silence. Let success make the noise." Subscribed because the person who looks lost today may be the master the world needs tomorrow.